Hello everyone, and thanks for being with us here today, especially in this new format. I'm here with my colleague RAFAEL GARCIA, our Chief Marketing Officer, and we are so glad you could join us today. Nobody could have predicted at the start of this year how the crisis would develop or how challenging the situation would become.
Indeed, Martina, we're learning to accept that COVID-19 is just part of our lives now. And throughout the progression of the pandemic in North America, the largest Hilti region, the construction industry has continued to press on as an essential business, evolving with the challenges.
I am happy to say that at Hilti, we are open for business. We have turned the page and we're ready for the second half of 2020, now focusing on supporting our customers as they get back to work. There's no doubt, social life has changed dramatically. Business life has changed dramatically. It's having a serious impact on economic growth and growth in the construction market. But what I love about Hilti is that we're resilient. And what makes us unique is our ability to adapt to these changing conditions and maintain the vitality of our business in the face of the crisis. So I'm very glad that you were able to join us today as we talk about how we're helping customers keep their job sites moving. We are enabling construction professionals with trade-focused solutions that let them address the topics of safety and productivity in a post-COVID world. And so I'm very proud to pass this over to RAFAEL and our product team to share that amazing innovation with you.
Thank you, Martina. You know, staying competitive and adapting to the new ways of doing business is the name of the game these days. It's challenging to meet deadlines with less staff and resources, and new approaches are needed to reduce the spread of costs across all departments. This is also an opportunity to investigate into new technologies and different working methods and to implement more digitalization. Now, what's new in terms of innovation and what would you see today? It's the embodiment of all that we've just mentioned. Brand new tools like our cordless rivet tool that's suitable for multiple applications and installation jobs. A layout tool that makes it so much easier and simpler to work on job sites. And a system that affirms our leadership position and investments in a digital change journey, including Internet of Things. You'll also see that we're building something even greater toward the end of the time together, and I'll be back with a special announcement. A new Hilti innovation that is more connected to you than any other tool of its time. So be sure to stay with us and stay tuned throughout. Now let's get to it. The product presentations you'll see today are performed at our state-of-the-art facility in Irving, which houses the product development, testing lab, and the second largest Hilti tool service center in North America. The facility serves two main purposes. Certified technicians perform tool repairs and maintenance, laser calibrations and battery checks, and engineers and designers and product specialists develop, test, and provide customer support for fire protection, anchoring, and direct fastening products and applications. Let's kick things off with a tool that offers the power of corded electric tool with the productivity and safety of cordless tools.
Hi, my name is ARTIE REAMS, and I'm the product manager for cordless cutting, sawing, and grinding for Hilti North America. And today I get to introduce you to our newest cordless grinding tool, the new Hilti GDG6A22 cordless die grinder. Our daily direct relationship with professional customers offers us the opportunity to understand the demands of the toughest job site, the need for versatile cordless tool that can cut, polish on various base materials led to the development of our die grinder. Working with customers in steel and metal fabrication, energy and industrial and mechanical trades, we optimize the die grinder for the primary applications including grinding and stock removal, weld smoothing, cutting and deburring, finishing, plasma hole cleaning, cutting, beveling pipe, reaming and slotting holes, and finishing and polishing metal. Let's check out what comes in the box when you add the die grinder to your fleet of tools. The die grinder is sold with a set of wrenches for changing out the bits and one standard 1/4 inch carbide burr. Initially, we won't offer die grinder inserts for purchase, but any standard 1/4 inch die grinder bit can fit into our tool. To change a bit or a blade, first remove the battery, then use the 2 wrenches provided in the box to loosen the 1/4 inch collet. Install the bit, position as desired, then turn until finger tight. Last, use the included wrenches to fully tighten the nut. The GDG6A22 cordless die grinder offers the power of a corded electric tool with the productivity and safety of cordless tools. It's equipped with a variable speed dial offering speeds up to 25,000 RPM. It can be optimized for various applications and material types that can range from ferrous and non-ferrous metals, exotic metals, wood, glass, and plastics. To ensure the safest working conditions, eye protection is always required. As appropriate for your type of work, you should also wear a dust mask, hearing protection, gloves, and a workshop apron capable of stopping small or abrasive workpiece fragments. Remember, handle all inserts carefully while wearing gloves, especially carbide burrs, as they can cause injury even when not installed in the tool. Check that the insert's installed properly. If the insert's installed off-center, there will be a lot of extra vibration, and breakage risks injury to the operator. The die grinder can spin at over 20,000 RPMs, so awareness of the working end and hand position is critical to ensure safe operation. With the addition of the GDG6A22, our die grinder at Cordless Metalworking and Cutting Tools are ready to help take your business to the next level. Backed by our industry-leading 22-in-1 warranty, you can be confident these tools deliver on performance and lifetime.
Hi, I'm Jared Wall, Product Manager for Abrasives here at Hilti. Our direct relationship with customers is foundational to our ability to create the best products, services, and software that keep the job moving. We have spent thousands of hours in metal fab shops and on the job site to better understand the demanding applications you face when working with metal. The result of our R&D is the introduction of a completely new metalworking portfolio of abrasives and cordless tools. This portfolio helps increase productivity and meets the most challenging grinding and finishing needs in carbon and stainless steel. Hilti is proud to introduce the new line of flap and fiber discs that are organized under our 3 performance levels, making it easier to choose the right abrasive based on your needs. Ultimate SPX in red for best speed and lifetime. Premium SP in black for high productivity in a wide range of grinding and finishing applications. And Standard P in gray for Hilti quality at an economical price. Flap discs will incorporate only premium self-sharpening grains, and we have added a trimmable 5/8-11 hub option. You can now trim the back of the disc in order to create a new edge that increases lifetime and reduces wheel changes, helping make you even more productive. Ultimate SPX fiber disc is designed with stainless steel applications in mind, incorporating premium ceramic grains that will help provide a better finish and faster material removal. The disc has an added conditioner that helps it stay cooler so as to not discolor the base material. Flap and fiber are part of a larger portfolio of abrasives that we now offer at Hilti. From cutting to rough grinding to blending and finishing, we have the portfolio that can handle the toughest carbon steel and stainless steel applications. All lines are classified under our 3 product performance tiers: Ultimate Red, Premium Black, and Standard Gray, to help you balance between performance, productivity, and price. Pairing our newly designed abrasive portfolio with our recently released metalworking tools is a winning combination. The tools run on the most powerful cordless 22-volt platform on the market. For flexibility, we offer the AG4S grinder, available in 4.5 and 5-inch. Our GFB 6X-A22 band file is for our hard-to-reach areas and corners. Our GPB 6X-A22 burnisher is great for flat work. And our GTB 6X-A22 tube belt sander is exceptional for round surfaces such as handrails. All of these new tools have variable speed, which combined with our newly designed abrasive portfolio can get you the best performing system on any carbon steel or stainless steel application. So if you have a project that includes metalworking, such as a metal table, a workbench, signage, or artwork, I highly encourage you to test the metalworking, abrasives, and the cordless tools together. Thank you for your time, and make sure to let us know if you have any questions or comments.
Hello, my name is KHUSHBOO. I'm a product manager at Hilti North America. I'm here to talk about the new Hilti rivet tool, the RT6A22. Now the RT6 is another addition to our 22-volt battery platform. The tool is ideal for a wide range of applications, covering industrial and installation jobs that require blind rivets or pop rivets from 3/32 of an inch to 3/16 of an inch in diameters. So rivets are actually very versatile and are used for a myriad of applications, and they are an effective way to fasten different materials together, including metal, wood, or composite sheets. Now the top applications include manufacturing, finished metal products, or any fabrication work which includes metal. Second would be metal structures or prefab buildings. And any job related to metal building and roofing construction is also an interesting application for rivets. At the same time, these are very widely used for HVAC systems as well. Now, let's talk about the RT6A22. Now, this tool is very portable, and it has the ability to install rivets almost instantly and virtually effortlessly, which helps you improve productivity and saves time. Now, the tool comes with 4 nose pieces. Now, each of these 4 nose pieces correspond to the 4 sizes: 3/32 of an inch, 1/8 of an inch, 5/32 of an inch, and 3/16 of an inch. So, depending upon the size that you're riveting, you have the nose piece that comes along with the tool. Now, the tool also has a pin collector. Now, this pin collector can collect all the mandrels after installation, and it can hold up to 200 to 220 mandrels. So it helps you keep your job area clean. Now, let's focus on the nose of the tool. So inside the nose, we have the wear parts. These wear parts are the jaws, and then we have the pusher and the spring. Now, the jaws that we have inside the tool are actually very sturdy, and if the tool is properly maintained and it is properly greased at regular intervals, these jaws can actually last up to 100,000 rivet applications. But in case if you want to change any of the jaws, or if you want to change the pusher, we have these available. You can buy these from Hilti, and we have YouTube videos online which you can actually refer on how to dismantle the nose and change all these repair parts. Let's talk about the key features of the RT6. So the RT6 actually is a very lightweight tool, and it has an excellent ergonomic design, which helps you install rivets quite effortlessly. At the same time, as we talked about earlier, the tool is supported by the 22-volt battery platform, and with a fully charged 2.6 battery, you can actually install up to 700 rivets. We also talked about the pin collector, which collects up to 220 mandrels, and it helps you keep your job area clean. And finally, the rivet tool RT6 is also backed by Hilti's 22-1 service offerings and has an option of being added to the Hilti tool fleet management services. So now let's go through how easy it is to install rivets using the RT6. We need a pre-drilled hole through the surfaces that we want to fasten using a rivet. For that, I use a Hilti SF2H drill along with Hilti HSS bits. For installing the rivets, we simply place the rivet in the pre-drilled hole, slide the mandrel through the nose of the RT6, and pull the trigger, and it's done. In closing, the Hilti RT6 will help increase productivity and efficiency if your job requires rivet fastening. It is a lightweight and ergonomically designed, and helps you install rivets up to 3/16 of an inch for both aluminum as well as steel or stainless steel rivets with minimal effort and time. It has sturdy wear parts and a brushless motor, which makes it a very durable tool. And finally, it is backed by the Hilti 22-1, and it's available on Hilti Fleet.
Hello, my name is David Stott, and I'm the product manager for Diamond Products at Hilti North America. Today I'm excited to showcase our new chamfer grinding shroud and turbo cup wheel for the DGH130 professional diamond finishing grinder, which is OSHA 1926.1153 Table 1 compliant. We launched the DGH130 last summer, The grinder is specialized for wall and finishing grinding thanks to its unique palm-style grip, variable speed functionality, and integrated dust hood. When paired with a VC 125, VC 150, or VC 300 Hilti series vacuum, the DGH-130 is a perfect combination for demanding concrete grinding applications while controlling dust on the job. We're excited to continue to bring innovation by introducing the DGH-130 chamfer shroud system and turbo cup wheel. Chamfers are common in concrete construction and provide a finished appearance to expose concrete edges. They are either poured in place, which can require over-pour cleanup, or can be achieved by grinding the chamfer on edge of columns and slabs. Chamfers present a challenge to adequately control dust. The design of traditional hoods and shrouds make them less effective at capturing silica dust. The design of the new DGH-130 chamfer shroud allows for quick connection to the DGH-130 for a complete chamfer grinding solution. We also developed a turbo cup wheel for use with the chamfer shroud or as an intermediate step from a segmented cup wheel to the finishing pads offered for the DGH-130. The turbo cup wheel provides a continuous rim segment to help achieve a smooth finish. We've designed the chamfer shroud to easily attach to the DGH-130. Simply choose which orientation you would like to grind, either horizontal or vertical, and attach either the vertical or horizontal shroud to the tool. Next, choose the appropriate width clip and attach to the shroud. We offer half, 3/4, 1 and 1.5 inch clips to achieve the desired finished chamfer. You can purchase the chamfer shroud complete kit, which includes both vertical and horizontal shrouds, and one each of the 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, 1 inch, and 1.5 inch clips. Once the clips wear out, additional clips in the desired width can be purchased separately. We also offer the vertical and horizontal shrouds for individual purchase. The DGH-130 professional diamond grinder with the new chamfer shroud and turbo cup wheel will help solve the toughest job site concrete grinding and finishing tasks.
Hello, my name is Steve Duncan. I'm the product manager for Screw Fastening Systems, and today I'm excited to introduce our next generation drywall screw gun, the Hilti SD5000A. This new tool is the first major upgrade over a decade ago when we first introduced our previous model, the SD4500A. With this new SD5000A, we wanted to improve the overall function of the tool and make hanging interior and exterior boards much easier, safer, and more productive. So, what were some of the key updates we made to the SD5000A? First, we upgraded to a brushless motor. This allowed us not only to reduce the weight by over 1/2 pound, but also increase the speed of the tool from 4,200 to 4,650 RPMs, all while maintaining the market-leading high torque we had with our previous model. Next, we improved the overall ergonomics of the tool, how it fits into your hand, and this, combined with other features, has helped us reduce the user fatigue throughout the day. Finally, we added an LED light to help improve visibility when working early morning and in dark conditions. But while we updated many features of the tool, we kept a couple of the important ones. First, we still have the same nose piece configuration designed to work with our innovative collated screw system. And second, we continue to use the same interface for our standard 22-volt battery platform. Also, just like other cordless tools, the Hilti SD5000A is backed by our industry-leading 22-in-1 service warranty and can be added to our Hilti tool fleet management. So, what's the best part about the launch of the new SD5000A? Now we have a drywall screw gun that can compete on all levels in the industry, and when combined with our innovative SDM collated magazine and screw system, you now have a premium lightweight system for hanging boards, safe and fast. Thank you for your time, and make sure to let us know if you have any questions or comments.
Hi, my name is AIDAN MAGUIRE, and I'm the Business Unit Manager for Measuring in Hilti North America. Today, I'm going to take you through the key applications and demonstrate the new Hilti PMD200. The PMD200 is an addition to our layout tool portfolio, designed specifically for North American interior layout applications. This tool is a bridge between traditional and digital solutions and represents a powerful alternative to the time and labor-intensive methods used for layout today. The PMD200 adds a brand new category to Hilti's already comprehensive interior layout solutions. The PM30, which launched last year, is the optimal solution for basic layout tasks like transferring chalk lines or setting heights. Every worker on the job site needs a PM30. RAF customers are adopting digital workflows and are beginning to use our advanced layout solutions, like our total stations, on their biggest or more complex projects. While the use of these tools is still growing rapidly, we see total stations used on only 10% of IF job sites, even with customers who have multiple tools. The PMD200 fits between traditional methods and total stations. It has been designed to give customers the accuracy and productivity benefits of a digital solution without the added complexity of having to manage AutoCAD data or change existing workflows. We believe that there should be a PMD200 on every interior finishing project. The PMD200 is a very simple to use 2D digital solution that replaces traditional methods. The user gets all the benefits of a digital tool without having to change their current workflow or learn how to handle digital data. The tool works as follows. Start by measuring the starting point for your layout. This will be referenced in the job site plans and will relate to a physical mark on the job site. This is commonly a grid line intersection, column offset line, or a specific point provided. See an example in this picture. Next, give the tool a direction. This will also relate to the job site. For example, another point on the grid or column line. You can orient the screen to position the tool and set up line optimally. Then, use the tablet to enter in the dimensions from your plan to layout points. The tool will turn and the green laser line will direct you to the point. You'll use the reflector to find the point location along the line as indicated by the tablet. The PMD200 also has a number of smart features to help customers tackle challenging layout geometries such as angles, radii, and arcs. With a range of 165 feet and accuracy of up to 0.12 of an inch at 80 feet, this is the ideal tool for establishing grid lines, marking wall locations, and even laying out the most complex reflected ceiling plans. This innovative layout tool will allow customers to increase productivity by reducing complexity and helping eliminate errors. The benefits can be summarized in 3 main points. 1. The PMD200 helps eliminate the potential for human error or compounded measuring errors. 2. The PMD200 allows customers to solve difficult layout challenges using digital smart features. And 3. The PMD200 takes layout from a 2-worker to a single-worker task and helps them to lay out faster, even on basic projects. Thank you for your time, and make sure to let us know if you have any comments or questions.
Hello, my name is SELZ and I'm the Business Unit Manager for Hilti Diamond Products and Consumables. Today I'm excited to showcase our next generation DD150U diamond coring system along with the newly enhanced WMS100 Bluetooth. The DD150U is our most versatile coring machine. This coring system allows operators ultimate versatility by allowing both stand-mounted wet diamond coring and handheld wet or dry diamond coring in one complete system. Common applications for the DD150U are through holes for penetrations, such as pipe and conduit, and blind holes for anchoring. We've made diamond coring easier with the DD150U diamond coring system by designing the tool and the stand to be set up and adjusted with the use of integrated keyless adjustments and the supplied hand wheel. New to the DD150U is Bluetooth connectivity and an integrated color digital display on the rear of the tool. The display offers operators a seamless experience to access data about how the tool has been used, what speeds the coring machine has been operated in, how long it's been used on the project, and how long the tool has been in operation overall, as well as real-time troubleshooting diagnostics when paired via Bluetooth to the WMS100. The color display also helps operators get the most out of the tool by displaying the amount of pressure that needs to be applied to the hand wheel for optimal drilling. This feature keeps the tool running smoothly and helps ensure maximum life and speed for the diamond core bit. Bluetooth functionality also allows the DD150U coring rig to be utilized with our Hilti Connect app. Hilti Connect allows operators to download all of the information that can be accessed from the display into the tool, into the Hilti Connect app. This allows for real-time diagnostics and troubleshooting. You can also schedule repairs for the tool directly from the app, as well as download operator instructions and how-to videos. As I mentioned earlier, we've also upgraded our WMS100 water management system. The system allows operators water independence on the job by recycling 4 gallons of water up to 7 times. Slurry is collected in the filter bag, and when full, can be easily disposed of in the trash thanks to the top sealing cap on the bag. New to the WMS100 is Bluetooth integration, which allows the WMS100 to be paired to the DD150U. Once paired, the WMS100 on-off function is steered directly from the DD150U trigger being pressed or depressed. Audible tones are still built into the WMS100 that alert you when water levels are too low or too high, or the bag isn't installed. However, on a noisy job site, these audible tones can be hard to hear, especially if the WMS100 isn't close by. Now all these alerts are visibly displayed directly on the DD150 color digital display. The WMS100 also now has a 3.5 amp power outlet on the head unit of the tool. The plug allows for accessories to be plugged directly into the WMS100, such as the VPU vacuum pump or a battery charger. To complete the system, we offer a full range of water collection rings and adapters to ensure water collection virtually in any coring application. We also have a full line of diamond core bits in our multi-line offering, the Ultimate SPX, the Premium SP, and the Standard P line, to match the right performance to the right price point. The new DD150U and WMS100 Bluetooth combine to make diamond coring easier with a smart connected system. Thank you for your time, and make sure to let us know if you have any comments or questions.
At Hilti, we are always up for a challenge. A new and smarter way to innovate our products, software, and services to help a modern-day workforce. Since our beginnings, we've looked for ways to enhance health, safety, and productivity, to design tools for portability, ergonomics, and to reduce fatigue. Hilti products have been used to build some of the greatest structures known to this world. But today, we are building something even greater. Today, we are building a safer, more productive you. Introducing a new Hilti innovation that is more connected to you than any tool of its time. Introducing the EXO-O1.
Hilti's new augmentation device, the EXO-O1 exoskeleton, will help our dedicated commercial contractors, tradesmen, and management alike tackle labor shortage challenges, as well as the new normal amid current distance working, health and safety issues. Wearable systems like our exoskeleton help reduce strain and fatigue for both experienced and novice users at the time when the industry is managing a workforce shortage challenge. Customers that embrace new innovation and invest the latest health and safety technology will be better able to attract and retain the best people, as well as keep their job sites productive. We are currently in real-world job site testing and will be bringing the Hilti EXO-O1 exoskeleton to the market later this year. As we strive for excellence and innovation in every product and service we bring to the market, we're proud to announce our partnership with exoskeleton technology with Ottobock. Ottobock is a century-old global leader in biomechanics know-how, including continued innovation in prosthetics, orthotics, and exoskeletons to help people increase and retain their physical independence. This wearable device will be our first foray into the human augmentation introductions for the construction industry. We selected overhead or shoulder height and above applications as our initial focus because these applications can be so physically intensive and fatiguing. These systems improve the health and safety of our customers, directly impacting job site productivity so you can stay on time and on budget. What's more, we're not only enhancing job site labor with human augmentation, Hilti has long been developing technology to augment your workforce across dynamic job site conditions. Ergonomics, workflow automation, semi-automation, and soon we will have additional news to share regarding our continued advancements in job site automation innovations, including but not limited to new robotics technology. Robotic technology has a near limitless application future within the construction business, and it can dramatically improve the speed and efficiency of our work. Robotic applications are ideal to take on the most dangerous and hazardous tasks, as well as the most mundane and repetitious. Hilti has always driven innovation in construction to significantly improve productivity and safety for our customers. And in recent years, we have worked actively with startups and external partners to better leverage new technologies, innovative solutions from the outside. In fact, as has previously been announced, we have an existing relationship with Boston Dynamics and Trimble that illustrates how we're experimenting with combining technologies and products to improve workflows on job sites in the future. With our deep knowledge of construction applications and pain points on job sites, we will quickly make a difference for our customers. Human augmentation and job site automation robotics innovations, alone or combined, will transform productivity gains, the likes of which haven't been seen since cordless tools got a foothold in commercial construction.